Hello guys, welcome to my channels. So today I'm going to discuss about Raman spectroscopy. So in this video I am going to cover Raman spectroscopy and their backgrounds, who discovered these things, and possible types of collisions, process and energy expression and their and discuss the cases, energy level diagrams, and last one discuss the rotational Raman spectrum of a rigid diatomic molecule and its expression. Okay, so now let's start. So Raman spectroscopy. So Raman spectroscopy is important technique that we discuss the scattered lights. Okay, here we discuss about the scattered lights, not the absorption lights. So Raman scattering had been predicted by the German physicist A. Schmeckel in 1923 and observed by C.V. Raman, K.S. Krishnan in 1928. Then they got Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his works on the scattering of light and for the discovery of Raman effects. Now discuss the possible processes. One is elastic collision, another is inelastic collision. So, in elastic collisions, the scattered photons will have same energy as incident photons. Okay. So, in elastic collisions, the scattered photons will have either higher energy or lower energy than incident photons. Now let's assume the total kinetic energy of photons and molecules remains unchanged before and after collision. Then from the law of conservation of energy, the h mu plus E, the incident photons energy is equal to x scattered photon energy after collisions. So if we rearrange this expression, so you will get this expression, that is E dash minus E divided by H Planck constant is equal to mu minus mu dash. Now here we discuss the three cases. So first case, if this both photons frequencies are equal, then energy will also equal. Incident photon energy is equal to scattered photon energy if this is equals. In second case, if scattered frequency is higher than that of incident frequency, this incident energy will better the scattered energy. This first case belongs to Rayleigh scattering, and then second case is belong to Raman scattering. And last one is if the frequency, incident frequency is higher than the scatter frequency, the energy reverse, like scattered energy will greater the incident photon energy. Okay, so now discuss the energy level diagrams. This first one is belongs to Raman scattering, that is called the Stokes line. Here as you can see, this incident photon energy excites from ground state and goes to higher, but it not come to ground state. The energy difference is, this is the energy difference. Here if you can see, this energy is higher than that of scattered photon energy. So this belongs to scattered Raman scattering. And here you will observe this broad peak, high intensity broad peaks. Another case, ray light scattering, the incident photon energy is equal to the scattered photon energy. So this is the spectra, sharp, high intensity spectra you will get, that is ray light line scattering. And last one is, this is Raman scattering, that is anti-Stokes line. This incident photons energy is lower than that of this scattering photons. So this called the Raman scattering. But here you will get the less incident broad peaks. On last point, discuss the rotational Raman spectrum of a rigid diatomic molecules. So this center one line is Rayleigh line, delta J value is equal to 0, and this left side is Stokes line and right side into Stokes line. So this first Stokes line appears at a distance of 6b from this exciting Rayleigh lines. In the same case, for anti-Stokes line, this 6b distance you will get the anti-Stokes line. Okay, then after you will get 4b distance by 4b distance each left side also 4b distance. So this total distance is 10b, and up to here this is how much, 14b distance. In the same way, anti-Stokes lines up to here 14b distance. This is the most important formula, energy level formula for this expression, for this diagram. So delta Fj is equal to B 4j plus 6, the unit is centimeter universe. So I hope you understand the Raman spectroscopy. So if you found this video interesting, so please do like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.